Remote engine start allows you to remotely start the vehicle and precondition the interior before you set foot inside. In the right conditions, the system works within a range of approximately 300 meters, less if there are buildings or other obstructions between the remote and the vehicle. To use remote engine start, first ensure the vehicle is parked outside in a well-ventilated area. Begin by pressing the lock button on the key fob. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the engine hold button. It may take several seconds for the engine to start. The bidirectional key fob informs you of the engine start status with a green light indicating that the engine is running and a blinking red light indicating that the key is out of range of the vehicle. The vehicle's turn signals will also flash several times when the engine is started. Once started, the engine will run for 10 minutes and then shut off automatically. During the initial 10-minute cycle, you can top up the 10-minute cycle by repeating the start procedure. This can only be done once. To stop the engine, press and hold the engine hold button for 1 second. The key fob will display a red light for 1 second to let you know the engine has stopped. The vehicle lights will also flash once to indicate that the engine has stopped. With the engine started, the interior is preconditioned via automatic activation of key climate control system functions based on outside conditions. The system targets a cabin temperature of 22 degrees. When it's warm outside, the system will use the air conditioning in recirculation mode. It will also activate the ventilated seats if equipped. On colder days, the system will use the heater and defroster. It will also activate the heated seats and the heated steering wheel, if equipped. Note that the seat heater indicator lights may not illuminate. To begin driving, depress the brake pedal and press the engine start-stop button. The keyless access system lets you easily unlock and enter the vehicle while keeping the key fob in your pocket or purse. It works when the key fob is within a radius of roughly 80 centimeters of the exterior door handle or the trunk release button. To unlock the door, walk up to the vehicle and grab the exterior door handle. The vehicle's exterior lights will flash and a beep sounds to indicate the door has unlocked. Note that the sensors may not detect a hand on the door if you're wearing gloves or when it's very wet outside. Whether you unlock the vehicle using the keyless access system or the key fob remote, the doors must be opened within 30 seconds. Otherwise, the doors, fuel filler door, and trunk will automatically relock. To lock the doors, fuel filler door, and trunk manually when exiting the vehicle, press the ridges on the exterior door handle. Just ensure the key fob is not left inside the vehicle, otherwise the doors will not lock. The walk-away auto lock feature handles the door locking for you. It activates when all doors are closed and the key fob is leaving a radius of about 1.5 meters from the exterior door handle. When you exit the vehicle, walk-away auto lock will lock the vehicle automatically if the key fob is with you and all the doors and the trunk are closed. The second key fob must also not be in the vehicle. Listen for a series of 2 beeps to confirm the vehicle has been locked. The first beep indicates the system is ready. This happens shortly after you leave the vehicle. The second sounds once you've moved roughly 1.5 meters from the vehicle, verifying the doors have been locked. If you do not leave the 1.5 meter radius within 30 seconds of the first beep, the vehicle will still automatically lock. Note that objects like smartphones may interfere with the key fob's signal strength if kept in the same pocket or purse. Walk-away auto lock is off by default. It can be enabled within the vehicle settings. It's easy to customize your keyless access system settings. With the vehicle on or in accessory mode, select Settings from the infotainment home screen. Select Vehicle. Choose Keyless Access Setup. You can then customize your settings, such as which doors unlock when you grab the door handle, or whether the beep sounds and exterior lights flash when you lock or unlock the doors. Here, you can also enable or disable the walk-away auto lock functionality. On warm days, you can even vent the cabin by using the key fob to lower all windows and the moonroof if equipped. Begin by pressing the unlock button when you're within approximately 15 meters of the vehicle. Then, within 10 seconds, press and hold the unlock button. It may take several seconds for everything to open.